The Druva Cloud Platform delivers data protection and management as a service at a fraction of the cost of on-premises infrastructure. The platform is a centralized repository of backup data from all your workloads, whether data center, cloud, or endpoints, stored securely in the cloud. Consolidate backup data from remote offices, the mobile workforce, as well as natively protect SaaS applications in the cloud. Think of what you can do with a unified view of your backup data accessed from a centralized management console. Apply data management policies across all of your data, such as legal hold or compliance monitoring. Gain better insights into your data with analytics and reporting, or respond quickly to e-discovery requests. Druva Cloud Platform is built on AWS, leveraging all the power and resiliency of the AWS infrastructure with the choice of storing your data in any region across the globe to comply with data residency requirements. The platform is infinitely scalable on demand to meet the needs of your growing business. Best of all, there's nothing to maintain. It's part of the services provided with your product subscription. Druva Cloud Platform, powering data protection for the cloud era.